Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. Today in this tutorial we'll discuss on the topic is Shiny Test Animation Effects. Before going to topic, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, I am going to topic. What we discuss on today, Shining Dust Animation Effect. This is the Shining Dust Animation Effect. Okay, I'm going to coding. Doctype HTML. Okay, so we'll check the output. This is the output. Next, I will write the CSS for this. Here I am create the CSS file. I am not to write anything here. First of all, I am call the CSS file in head section. Link relation, style sheet, href from CSS folder, style.css, text.css. Okay. Next, write the CSS for body, margin 0, padding 0, display flex, justify content center, line item center, height, background color. So we'll check the output. This is the output. This is the output. Next, I will write the CSS for Shining Test. Next, I will write the CSS for P tag. P, position relative, font family, sans serif, text transform, uppercase, font size 2em, letter spacing 4 pixel, overflow hidden, background repeat, no repeat, background size animation, animate, linear. Create keyframes, animate, background position, and so we'll check the output. This is the output. This is the sharing test animation effect. Okay guys, before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMA. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.